Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USDjpy in front of us right now. And my dear friends, if you have watched my previous video on USDjpy, then hopefully you made good profit, because in my last video I recommended a buy when market was here. Okay, I clearly told that if market bounces from this level, you can go for a buy. And the strategy remains the same, because you can clearly see that the overall setup of USDjpy has not changed much. If you just look at if we just observe the chart here, then we can clearly see that this is a sideways market. It means that there is no proper trend present in the market, and as we all know, we get opportunities on both the side in the sideways market. And first of all, I would like to talk about this trend line. And you can see that this trend line is still acting as a very strong dynamic resistance for the market. And if you do not have this trend line on your charting platform, then please draw this line, because in the future also this line will be giving you plenty of opportunities. I hope so. And right now you can see that after hitting this level, market was unable to cross the level. Market faced selling pressure from above. As a result, market is going down. Anyways, if you have missed the opportunity, then no need to lose your heart, okay, because you will get another opportunity here, because this is a sideways market. Market will be going up down, so no need to worry. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, then I would like to tell that please watch any of my other videos on USDjpy, because I have been talking about the importance of 109.75 for quite some time. This level is the most important level on the USDjpy chart, because 109.75 has been acting as a crucial level for USDjpy for last 3-4 months, and I have been talking about this level for last 3-4 months, so I do not want to bore you again if you are watching my videos. Okay. So this level is a level from the weekly chart. Previously it was the resistance, now it is the support. That's it. I do not want to bore you. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, the strategy is simple. Okay. Market is coming down. This is a sideways market. Eventually you will get an opportunity to go for a buy at the support here. So your support is 109.75 to 109.60. This is your support zone. Keep in mind, this is your support zone. When market will be coming down here and bounce from here, definitely you can go for buy, because this is a very solid support for the USDjpy. If you want to see, I can take you to the chart of weekly, 1 week chart or weekly chart. See, market has been facing serious selling pressure for last couple of months, but still 109.75 is so strong that it is not allowing the market to go down. Which clearly signifies that some buyers are present in the level and they have got some serious power, and they are not allowing the market to go below the level. So easily you can go for a buy once market comes down to the 109.75 and market bounces, because this is a sideways market. Okay. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 63% retail traders have taken short position and 36% retail traders have taken long position. So 63% are hoping that market will be going down, and 36% are thinking that market will be going up. My dear friends, as we know, 90% retail traders lose money, so do not follow the crowd. Please follow the proper analysis and only trade with proper logic. So please draw these lines. Okay, you have understood the importance of this level. If you want to know more in detail, watch any of my other videos on USDjpy. You will clearly get the detailed idea. So if you have missed the yesterday's opportunity, no need to worry. If you have missed this opportunity, no need to worry. You will get another opportunity to buy at this level if market reverses. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.